Hello techies, welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. I'm Ganesh. Today we are discussing about automation anywhere practical question for interview. This is a exercise 3. I hope you have watched other two videos in my series. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notification whenever I will upload new videos regarding AA or AI. So directly we will go to the question. So this is very basic question, but the most asked question in the interview. The question is, consider a list of integer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it should print as 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. And again they are asking one more logic. Is it possible to add a 6 to the particular list or not? So if yes, please print as a 6. Okay, we will directly go to workbench and we will discuss how we can build this particular scenario. Please do not skip the video because I will tell you in the middle. So what are all the cross question interviewer may ask and what are all the techniques we can use it in the automation anywhere. So you can show your talent to interviewer. Okay, so we will directly move on to the question. Okay, question is asking us, so already they have a list of object, correct? So that's why we will create one list. So we will take a list object and the list is always start with L as per the naming convention and list object. Okay, now next thing is they have mentioned in the question, if you see this is a list of integer, correct? That's why we have to take a number subtype as a number. And so if you see here we can add the values default. So they have mentioned the default value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So same way we will also add a default value 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we have created our initial setup. In the question they have mentioned consider the list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to print as 1 comma 2 comma till 5. How we can do that? If you go to the list action in the action panel, we have a one command join items. So this is the beauty of automation anyway. They have already built in command for this. Okay, so how we can do this one? In the list join item, we have to select a available list. So whatever we have created for the input and which delimiter you want to add it. Here actually they have mentioned comma. That's why I'm using comma. So if they mention number or any special character, you have to mention here in the delimiter. And that particular output should be saved in particular variable, correct? For that I will create another variable as string output. So here interior may ask a different question. Okay, can we create a number variable for output? Can we create a list variable for output or any other data type for join items? No, we have only one option, that is a string in the join items. If you are joining the list of object, if it is an integer, if it is any other type, we have to store it in a string itself when you are joining items. Okay, because we are using a delimiter as a string. Okay, now you got the question answer, correct? If the interviewer asks, you can give the answer like this. Only we have a default string type and I'm creating this string type and I'm saving. So now my join item is completed. Now we want to show the message box for the users how it will look. So in the message box I will write as output and save and I will run the bot. We will see how our output will look like. So as per the question, it should look like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 till 5 it should come, correct, with a delimiter of comma. So we have achieved our target. So now again they have asked one more question. Is it possible to add a 6 to the list? Yes, of course we can add it. We have a possibility. If it is yes, then we need to print 6 also with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how we can do that one? We will see. So same way in the list panel, we have another option as a assign. Okay, if you, sorry, not assign, it is a add, add item. Okay, add item. So in the add item, they have given a list variable. That is same list variable because they are asking to add a variable item in the same list variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, 6 should come. After that, they are asking item to be added. So which item you need to add it? So for that, what we can do, we will create one more variable. Okay, I'm pressing, and we will create as a string object. Okay, and default value they have given as a 6, correct? In your scenario, if they ask 10 means you have to give a 10. So just I'm creating as a 6, and I'm creating, and particular object I'm assigning to the list. And here we have a two option. One is to end of the list or at the particular index. Sometimes they will ask, can you insert the value in between 4 and 5? So at that time we can use at the list index like 4, 5. So which index you want to add it. Otherwise, you can take it as a two end of the list. In this scenario, they have asked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, 6 should come. Correct? So that's why at the end of the list, I'm adding and I'm save. So after that, what we have to do? Again, we have to join the items to show it in a message box. Correct? Same list object. So that's why I'm just copying and pasting. And same thing, we need to show it in the output also. So same thing, I'm copied and pasted in a 4 and 5th command. So now if we run the bot, we will see how it will look output. Okay. So now the first time it should show 1 to 5. So as per the first rule. Second time we should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Till 6 it should show with the delimiter as a comma. So we will see how it will look. Okay. Here the device is disconnected. Sorry for the inconvenience. We will see the network is there. Yes, network is there. Yes, now it is connected. So if you run the bot now, sometimes internet connection issue or this is the community edition a bot, so that's why they may disconnect the session, but you can refresh and you can connect again. So now it will take some time to deploy in our machine. See, now the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you close 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as per their questions, we have developed our bot, correct? The first it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are adding into the 6 to the list, and again we are printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this, correct? So I hope you have understand the scenario. If you have any question, please comment to the video. We will reach out as soon as possible. Thank you very much. All the best for your future.